Yeah, good thing. I don't have anything negative to say, so that's easy. My name is Jakob. I'm from Denmark, and I'm the lucky winner of a trip to IWC and JLC here in Switzerland.
Hello, my name is John. I'm from the UK. It's been a fascinating few days.
Yeah, hello, my name is Sebastian. I'm from Germany, and I'm also a happy participant of the WatchAdvisor manufacturer tour in 2022.
Matt here from Denmark. I have been interested in collecting watch for maybe almost 20 years.
Hello everybody, my name is Christian. I'm basically German, but I live in Austria now since 10 years already. Thankfully I'm part of this journey. I'm a fan of WatchAdvisor. I watch it on YouTube.
So hello, I'm Min. I'm from Switzerland. I'm very happy to be part of this experience. First day at IWC and second day at Jaeger-LeCoultre.
Hi, Alexander from Germany. I watch WatchAdvisor since I think 3 years now, and I always like Alexander's reviews, and you notice that he has deep knowledge of the industry and how he talks about brands and stuff. You don't get it anywhere else, so I like it a lot.
So Bertrand, watch enthusiast for many years. I've discovered WatchAdvisors randomly, if I'm honest, back in the 2019 during Basel World, and I'm really happy to have been part of this amazing lifetime experience that I will keep thinking about for the years to come. Thank you so much, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell to get our latest notifications.
I saw the tour advertised on WatchAdvisor, so I entered the competition, thinking I don't stand much of a chance.
And then I got a call that I was picked out. I think it was 4,000 people, and we are 8 here, so it's a great opportunity.
Luckily, I was one of the winners. Actually, I didn't expect it, but for sure it's always worth to participate in such things.
Yesterday we were at IWC, the amazing trip, an amazing experience to see the new factory and the old factory.
It's a totally impressive new building, 100,000 square feet of manufacturing estate, and we went there.
This is my first time ever that I visit any manufacturer, and I was very excited.
I was instantly taken by the machines that they have, the fantastic watchmaker machines.
IWC was an amazing experience. We were visiting the factory. I'm very lucky to be part of this unique experience.
The people in the manufacturers really share their passion and really make us feel important and welcomed in the manufacturers. Discovered many things that I thought I knew, and obviously when you go behind the scene you discover other things.
The food, of course, in both places was fantastic.
It's really amazing. I really enjoyed my trip here with my team and the friends from the WatchAdvisor tour, and it was really great. So I'm really thankful for Alexander in particular, and also to the WatchAdvisor team to make it all happen, for the organization, for taking the time and really make it happen, because in these times, of course, it's not really easy to plan a trip like that because of all the circumstances we all know about. And I'm very happy about the opportunity.
Yeah, yesterday we visited IWC, and it was like a great experience. Basically, all the information's added up, nothing was double.
Meters of thickness will be put on top of the base movement. And the complications that are assembled here are, for example, our double chronograph with the 2 seconds hands and the third pusher at 10 o'clock. So you can actually kind of stop 2 seconds times. And here the newer one on the Portugueser. These 2 complications are assembled also here in the department, especially by Christian, who you just saw, Christian Besser. He knows a lot about the perpetual calendar and does this all day long because he loves it. And then we have our digital perpetual calendar here, 130 components here, the complications.
It was really something special in my lifetime as a watch collector to learn about the brands, to meet the people behind the brand, and to get the chance to really see in detail what's going on behind the brands, how the production works, how the logistics works, how the design work.
At the end of the day, we were able to touch and feel the whole IWC collection. It was really amazing.
At the end, it's a great experience, very memorable, and I would definitely want to join such a trip again next time.
So several of the watches that I've bought, I've gone to the WatchAdvisor site just to check his opinion, because I value his opinion. He has the same wrist size as myself, so I can compare the watch, how it will suit me or not.
The event was pretty awesome, meeting a lot of nice folks, so everyone was nice, so we were friends at the end.
I came actually to this trip because I regularly watch WatchAdvisor content, and it's really nice because it's high quality content. I really like Alexander's hands-on reviews and also his insights from the industry, which are first-hand and not like somewhere else, maybe just things you heard or read on the press. So that's very nice, and all his contacts, and yeah, I really enjoyed my time here, and yeah, I'm looking forward to my next IWC watch and maybe also my next LeCoultre watch. So yeah, it's something I really enjoyed, and thank you again, and yeah, it was really a pleasure.
Thank you, WatchAdvisor, for these 2 days. I hope there will be more in the future.
It has been an amazing few days, and I'd just like to thank, first of all, WatchAdvisor for their setting up of this tour, and Alexander in particular, who's been really helpful, and obviously IWC and Jaeger-LeCoultre.
Thanks a lot to WatchAdvisor, and if you see a competition on WatchAdvisor, just go for it.
So you saw some passionate people, and everything was organized this time from the founder of our company, Valery Stepanov. Valery, thank you very much for organizing all this and making it possible. As we just saw, they are smiling. They all wear a smile. They are so speechless that they don't know even what to say in front of the camera, and it was amazing. Thanks to organize it.
Thank you so much, Alexander, and it was absolutely super cool experience. And I asked the watch aficionados, and they collect watches and they have watches, and some have 1 and some have 5. And I asked them, hey, how do you feel? And they said, you know, it's like visiting a manufacturer. It's like the first kiss of your girlfriend. You will never forget this. This is so nice. So, and they are super excited. And we are very tired now. We go home, and we have to proceed all the memories and all the experience. It was absolutely amazing. And with Jaeger and with IWC, absolutely incredible experience. Thank you so much.
And yeah, guys, and now please, Jorge, you take off your headsets.
Jorge.
We keep the camera, come here.
Come.
Now, no video without our cameraman. No video without our cameraman. Thanks for watching. This is WatchAdvisor, Jorge, Valery, Alexander. Bye-bye. And
Bye-bye.
many more, of course, but only 3 here. Bye-bye. Bye, guys.
Ciao.
Cool, guys.